I've been sleeping in a cardboard box, spending every dollar at the liquor shop. And even though I know I haven't got a lot, I'll try to give you love until the day you drop.
Baby, I'm yours, and I'll be yours until the stars fall from the sky.
Watching haters wonder why can't be no got the game, bruh. Half-tied thicky, all she wanna do is bang.
For you, career opportunity, the one I never knock. Every job they offer used to kick you out the dock. Career opportunity, the one that never knock. Oi, 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 oi.
Making the It Girls as chokers. Today, Ophelia. I had a lot of trouble choosing the patterns and colors. I wanted to do something kind of like bright yellow or kind of red, but I think the pink and white went really well. I couldn't find really a baby pink, so I went more with a salmon. I think the gold salmon and white turned out great, and here's how the choker looks in the end.
You've been on my mind, girl, since birth. Heaven help a fool, thousand
Attention at best, but call it nothing. Maybe something, a little bit, maybe something. It's all about ascension, I guess. Don't put me to rest. Go on and hand me your clothes.
I don't need the city and I don't need the groove. All I need, darling, is a life in your shape. I picture it soft and I look at you, strawberry blonde.
Sorry, these stitches are kind of ugly. I literally just woke up. This is the first thing that I'm doing. So I like to use a buttonhole stitch because I really like the lace to lay flat because this is a bit thicker. Or you can use a regular walking stitch, but instead of going across, you go up and down. Again, I like this kind to lay flat. Someone commented blanket stitch. Blanket stitches are really nice. They're really sturdy. Here's an example of one. But I don't like to use this kind of stitch on this kind of lace, because I feel like if I use it on this kind of lace, the sides tend to lift a bit over time, and I just don't like the way that looks.
When I fall in love, I usually lose my mind, hoping it gets better, yeah.
Swipe left, swipe right, even people who ain't my type. It's just empty pleasure, yeah. Don't text to come over, we don't talk when we're sober. Fairy tale I can live without. White dress in the altar, the diamond in your ring. That's all I.
Hey Michele, conta aqui pra nós. A grana que entrou na sua conta é do Queiroz. Hey capitão, como isso aconteceu? Levante a mão pro alto e agradeça muito a Deus. 01 é Willy Wonka.
The bass, the rock, the mic, the treble. I like my coffee.